Top 5 reasons to get an irrigation system. Save time. An irrigation system can save you time and effort by automatically watering your lawn and garden, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your outdoor space. Save water. An irrigation system can help conserve water by delivering the right amount of water to your plants at the right times. This helps reduce runoff and evaporation, making sure that your plants get the most out of each drop of water. Improve plant health. With an irrigation system, you can ensure that your plants are getting just the right amount of water they need to stay healthy and thrive. Reduce weeds. An irrigation system can help reduce weeds in your garden by providing consistent moisture levels in the soil, which makes it harder for weed seeds to germinate and grow. Increase property value. A well-maintained lawn with an efficient irrigation system can increase the value of your home or business property, making it a great investment for any homeowner or business owner. Say goodbye to the hassle of lugging around your garden hose. Paramount Lawn Landscape can make your dream irrigation system a reality. Give us a call today and see how we can set you up for the perfect solution for your lawn needs.